Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Allure Beauty Box. Let's get into it and see what we've got. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box. It is $25. It will have 6 products in it. 3 will be full-sized. They promise a value of more than $100. This is heavy this month. That doesn't necessarily mean anything. Sometimes in the past we've had it be really heavy and it's been an oversized toner or something like that. But we have been really liking the Allure boxes lately. This is the October box. We're a touch behind because of Fabfitfun. And ooh, lots of big things. That is what it looks like. She is chock-o-block. We have paperwork that will give us a little bit of information on everything we have in there. So let's just dig into it. I've always ordered this from Amazon. And I have been telling myself for months that I need to switch over to Allure because they do some customization now through Allure. And I really should do that because, you know, I have super sensitive skin and my coloring, it would just make it much easier for me. What? My hand is being forced. I think that they said as of December 1st, or that December was the last month. They're no longer doing this on Amazon. So you need to sign up through Allure. Okay, first out, right on top, we have Rosemary Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub from Mail. And I am sure that it is full size because it is huge. Let's find it in the book. Keep the book at a distance so I can't see everything else that's in here. Okay, I found the matching picture. Mail or Melee, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Rosemary Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub. The same stuff that makes cookies delicious is surprisingly good for your scalp. The sugar granules in this scrub are just gritty enough to help clear away product residue, but they're also gentle, dissolving as you use them. Scalps are left feeling clean and ready for the next styling session, while the scrub's minty smell feels equally refreshing. It is $9.99 for 6 ounces, so it is huge, but it is a $9.99 value, so if you try it and you love it, it's an easier repurchase. I kind of like that sometimes too. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like it when we get those pricey products, but I also like it when they make me fall in love with something, and it's something that I don't mind having to repurchase. Oh! So it comes to kind of a point that you'll be able to get right down on your scalp. Oh, that's nice. I like the scent of that. I must put that up my nose. I will absolutely be trying that. That smells delicious, and I like the idea of just scrubbing down there on my scalp. Next out, we have the Olay Cleansing Melts Trial Size. I have seen the ads for this. When I watch other people's YouTube videos, I get these ads a lot. It says, great for travel or every day, these vitamin C infused solid cleansers turn soap into water. The concentrated tabs foam as nicely as traditional cleanser, and you can easily pack them for a weekend away. I would like to try these, but I can't try the vitamin C. It's too much of a risk that it would upset. Can you see how they are underneath? It's just like little pods of them. It might upset my skin because my skin is not a fan of vitamin C, so we'll see if anybody else would like to try it. Okay, next out we have a Belif Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. I think this is going to be a trial size one because it is very light. We get a lot of Belif. Allure people must like Belif. It's like a little pump. This could be, I guess it could be full size. Let's see what this says. Did I tell you that with these, normally a 32 count is $9.99 and this is 12 melts, so this is about $3 worth. Okay, the Belif Aqua Bomb. This is all right here on these 2 pages so far. We've been very lucky. We have 5 ml. Normally 15 ml is $32. So we have a little over $10 worth. It says this lightweight eye gel does everything except apply eyeshadow for you. It enlivens with vitamin C and niacinamide, tightens with caffeine, and cools like the old cucumber slice trick. No refrigeration or actual cucumber slices required. The gel's skin cooling effect lasts while you sip your coffee and helps with depuffing. Okay, I know I have a weird list. Like I don't use vitamin A's or vitamin C's, glycolic acid, any of the acids, they really irritate my skin. I'm allergic to licorice. I have started using grapefruit juice, not grapefruit juice. I have started using grapefruit and I haven't had any issues with that. But what I have, so I've kind of taken it off the list, but in its place, if you've been with the channel for a while, you know I am having some heart issues. We're not gonna go into it, I'm fine. It's the way I choose to handle it. Anyway, with the arrhythmia, one of the things that I've started trying to avoid is caffeine, both orally and on my face, because, oh, it's just a little bit. Well, right, but it's a little bit in everything that I use. And one of our great community members brought to me my attention that it was in the Vegamore that I use a lot of. And it's like the second ingredient on the list, which means there's not only caffeine in it, there's caffeine in it. So I've had to give up my Vegamore. Very sad. Anyway, I will pass that along because it has caffeine in it, is the end of that story. Okay, next out we have a Florence by Mills, and it's the Glow Yeah Lip Gel. That is what it looks like. It's kind of fun on the inside. That is what that looks like. I will probably, not because I wouldn't use it, I would use it, but I will probably pass this along to one of my girls because I think they would love it. So it's just a nice slanted top. I can't smell anything. Let's see what the paperwork says. It says, this lip oil dispenses out of a flexible tip, a nice touch that makes application that much more comfortable. And the formula itself glides on to feel cushiony. It's super moisturizing. That's the mango butter and jojoba seed oil at work. With a subtle rosy tint, lips look juicy and fresh throughout the day. This is a full size 0.27 ounces and it has a $16 value. Next out we have Liquid IV. It is hydration multiplier. We have it in white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. That's probably, yeah, that's just on the back. And it says Liquid IV, take 20% off hydration multiplier, sugar-free. Well, this says scan for 20% off. So this is 3 sticks to try. It's probably just an advertisement that paid to be in the box, but that's cool. It's a fun way to try it if you've never tried it. Then we have the Sicilian Light Squalane. That's not English. It's English on this side. Sicilian Light, Vegan Squalane, Prickly Pear, and Blood Orange Truffle Complex. Plump and illuminate. This is from Skin & Co. I did not see that up top. Sometimes you want to spend a few minutes on a 5-step layering routine, and sometimes you're lucky to get out the door with moisturizer on. Whether you're in the mood to indulge or need to move things along quickly, this multitasker gets the job done. It's loaded with brightening and antioxidant vitamin C, plus hydrating hyaluronic acid and squalane. With so much payoff, it's perfect for streamlining your routine, and it layers on well under sunscreen. The gel cream absorbs quickly and makes skin feel noticeably softer post-application. It is 30 ml. It is 30 ml, which is full size, and it has a $60 value. Well, this is vitamin C. Yes, we've discussed vitamin C in this video. So that's where we're going with this. It's in everything. So this is mostly a pass it along box for me, but that has a $60 value. So if you can use vitamin C like most people can, this is a really nice product. I have used many of the Skin & Co products in the past and like them. They had a moment where they were basically in every box. We don't see it as much anymore, but that sounds lovely. Next, we have the Curology Gentle Cleanser. I am intrigued. The word gentle makes me happy with my super sensitive skin. This is 80 ml. It has a $12 value. Cozy and elegant in its simplicity, this facial cleanser's creamy gel formula feels comforting, not drying. It foams quickly and washes away easily, leaving behind a softer complexion. It's made extra coddling by hydrating glycerin and soothing oat extract. It doesn't have any discernible scent, and it is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Challenge accepted. As long as it doesn't have licorice root in it. Nope, this seems like something I can try. So I will absolutely give this a try. If for nothing else, that's a perfect, it's not a travel size. This is probably a full size. It's 80 ml, but that would be perfect for like a 10-day week away, like if you were going to Disney or something. So I will probably try it, see if I can use it, and then tuck it in the cupboard because we might have a trip coming. Ole Henriksen Transform. It's very heavy. This is one of the heavy things. So the weight was from a pricey product. This is a Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. So this is going to be something else I can't use because dark spot toners usually mean they eat the dark spots off your face. probably not the words they would choose to describe themselves. Alpha hydroxy acids are some of the most recommended and reliable exfoliating ingredients in skincare. Thanks to their brightening and line smoothing abilities, this toner's 2 AHAs, glycolic and lactic acids, are paired with reviving licorice extract and hydrating glycerin for dark spot fading. Glow-inducing formula. It is $35 for 6.5 ounces. It is sealed. No, the bottom is not. I was gonna say it is sealed, and I'm gonna leave it that way because I 100% cannot use this, but the bottom isn't sealed. So we will just slide it out so I can show you guys. It is plastic. It's a very pretty color. I wish I could use it, but there were all of the words. There was glycolic acid and lactic acid and licorice root. I mean, the only word missing was caffeine, and we don't know that it's not in there. Okay, that was our Allure Beauty Box. That was a good box if you can use vitamin C. It's kind of a stinker for me, but it's not that it's a bad box. It's not fair to blame the box. You have to blame the Catherine. So we have the Ole Henriksen toner to take away your dark spots, the Male, which is the scalp scrubber. I can use that. It was a $9.99 product. Doesn't matter. I can use it. The liquid IV. That doesn't get to be in front of anything. The liquid IV, if you've ever thought about trying it, great way to try it. The Belief Under Eye, the cleanser. I can use the cleanser. Yay. So far I can cleanse my scalp and cleanse my face. We have the Olay melts. I will pass those along. The Skin & Co. complex to plump and do other things with vitamin C to your face. Oh, and the Florence. I could use this, but I think my girls will love it, so I'm probably going to pass it along to one of my girls. So that is a very full box of very fun and different things. It's a great box. It's $25. So worth more than that. Unfortunately, it's all got vitamin C in it, so I can't use most of it. But I can have the scalp cleanser and the face cleanser. I could use the little lippy, but I'm going to pass it along to one of my girls. And I will find a home for everything else, too. Thank you so much for coming by. Let me know below. Did you get this box? Did you like it? What are you thinking? As soon as I'm done taping today, I'm going to go downstairs and sign up through Allure for Allure Beauty Box so that I can do the customization. I bet there's a free bonus or something for signing up too, so we're going to do that. Thanks again for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.